Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to summarize one paragraph on specific line or summarize text using ChatGPT. Earliest, I already make a several video like a paraphrasing, summarization, but the ChatGPT also providing you summarization very attractive way and positive format. So how to do it? We will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen. So guys, let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here ChatGPT using your username, password, and then simply add here one of the line. Summarize this text into 100 words, and which paragraph or which word you want summarize as a demo point of view. Here is my Medium blog, building an application digital history using NLP, and I just simply copy this word and I summarize this one paragraph to 2-3 lines, or we will see. And then after I enter here and then put it here this paragraph, and we can see, consider like suppose for example 50 words, and then enter. Now we'll see the summarization is we are really receive or not. So look at this, the summary is created here in our application purpose, understanding historical terms and events. Really amazing. If I go back here and put it here the 100 words and then enter, so now is the summary is ready or not. The application now the words also change. The application of propose understanding historical terms, the application propose enhance understanding historical terms and events related informations. So look at this, this is absolutely free and create amazing summarization of your text using these tips and tricks. You just simply raise the one of the question like a summarization in the text and add here your entire paragraph or entire text related data and provide them how many words you require. Accordingly, your summary is ready. It's really amazing tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.